got gas.
New text message from Katie Hennigaluit. That's good laughing out loud.
That's good laughing out loud. Everybody's laughing out loud nowadays, eh? Okay, let's go on the highway towards the mine for a while. Check it out. We are gonna go up here and go into Sulphur Gates. See what you guys think of that. Cool, I just set up voice command on this thing. I'll do it again here. GoPro stop recording. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. So now when I'm hiking, I'm going to be doing this. And we're going to come up here and take a few pictures. So yeah, so that's cool. So what I did, well, I got my toucan because it's cold out here. And I'm just playing. So yeah. So this will be okay. It's kind of different because I have with my phone. I'll figure something out. But most of the time, I'm gonna have this thing. I should have thought of it. Darn it! Check this out. Okay, pretty cool, eh? All right. Look at this. Sulphur Gates. Look at that, beautiful, eh? I just come for a quick one today to show everybody this. The river is really low right now. Not for long. Beautiful. And up there we have... Let's take a picture of Mosley. A couple more steps when you use this, but to be in 4K all the time, it's pretty freaking awesome. Somebody here, eh? Unreal. Well, let's go home, and what a beautiful place, eh? Look at that, Mount Maudsley. We just took pictures of Mount Maudsley. We are at home, parking at home. Mater.